to the class. So we have 2 exponent t equals t exponent 32, okay? So we are going to multiply this exponent t here by 1 over 32, okay? And then we are going to multiply this 32 here, this exponent 32, by 1 over 32. All right, now the goal is to get to a point where the left part of the equation has the same form as the right part of the equation so that we can compare and then derive our answer, okay? So here, this and this will cancel. So you're going to have 2 exponent t over 32 equals t exponent 1. All right, now the next thing we're going to do, okay, so we are going to multiply here by 1 over t, and then here by 1 over t. All right, so our equation becomes, okay, our equation becomes 2 exponent 1 over 32 equals t exponent 1 over t. All right, so this is what we have. Now let's transpose, okay, or let's change the positions, okay, or let's move t exponent 1 over t here, and then move to exponent 1 over 32 here, okay? All right. Now the next thing we do, okay, so t exponent 1 over t equals 2 exponents. Now 1 times a is a, so 1 times 1 over 32 is the same as 1 over 32, okay? So in place of 1 over 32, we can write 1 over 32 times 1, okay? So you're going to have 1 over 32 times 1. All right, now this means that a times 1 will give you a. Okay, so this is the concept we applied here. All right, now let's continue. Now you're going to have t exponent 1 over t equals, all right, now, equals 2 exponent 1 over 32 times, now, anything over itself is 1, okay? So let's say 2 over 2, or in place of 1, we can write 2 over 2, okay? All right. So we are saying that what we said was that a over a will give us 1. Therefore, 2 over 2 equals 1. So in place of 1, we wrote 2 over 2, okay? All right, so we're going to have t exponent 1 over t equals, okay, 2 exponent 1 over 32 times, now we can write 2 over 2 as 2 times half, okay? So you're going to have t exponent 1 over t equals 2 exponent, now 1 over 32 times 2, that gives us 1 over 64, okay? All right, sorry, let's make some corrections here. Now let's arrange our exponents first, okay, and then do the next thing. So you're going to have 1 over 32, 2 exponent 2 times 1 over 32 times 1 over 2. So we are just changing the positions of the exponents. So this will give us t exponent 1 over t equals, now 2 exponent 2 will give us 4. Okay, so now we have 1 over 32 as exponent multiplying 1 over 2. All right, so you're going to have t exponent 1 over t equals 4 exponent, okay? So you multiply 1 over 32 times 1 over 2, okay? So the exponent side, we are going to have 1 over 64. All right, now we still cannot say or cannot tell what t is. So we keep on manipulating the equation, okay? So we are going to have t exponent. Okay, so you're going to say, okay, t exponent 1 over t equals 4 exponent 1 over 64 times 1. Since 1 over 64 times 1 is the same as 1 over 64. Okay, so I've explained it earlier saying that a times 1 is a. So we are going to have, okay, t exponent 1 over t equals 4 exponent 1 over 64, okay, times, okay. Now we said anything over itself is 1, okay. So here we are choosing 4 because we want to get to a point where we can tell what t is, okay. So in place of 1, you can write 4 over 4. All right. So we are going to have t exponent 1 over t equals 4 exponent. Now let's change the positions of the exponent. Okay. So before we change it, let's manipulate the exponent. So you're going to have 1 over 64 times, okay. Now 4 over 4 is the same as 4 times 1 over 4. All right. So we're going to have t exponent 1 over t equals 4 exponent, okay, 4 times 1 over 64 times 1 over 4. Okay, so here we are just changing the positions of the exponent. All right, so you're going to have t exponent 1 over t equals 4 exponent 4. Okay, so we are left with 1 over 64 times 1 over 4 as exponent. All right, now 4 exponent 4, okay, sorry, you have 1 over t here. Now 4 exponent 4 is 256, okay, and then here we are going to have 1 over 256. That is, if you multiply 64 and then 4, you get 256. Now when we get here, by observation, we can say, therefore, t equals 256.